Traditional income requires time, location, and constant effort, but blockchain technology has introduced a new model.
What if you could earn from the power of blockchain without trading, without complex skills, and without spending your entire day online?
Welcome to the next evolution of finance.
Welcome, everyone. Today, we look at how AI neural networks combined to robust blockchain nodes.
Technology is poised to redefine our digital infrastructure.
TonXPay is a digital ecosystem built around blockchain principles. It combines AI technology. TonXPay is ready to transform the blockchain landscape.
Thousands of people around the world are exploring a new way to generate digital income, a system powered by AI.
This is the core of the decentralized network, and it's how we ensure total transparency across the entire chain.
Building it block by block, ensuring transparency every step of the way.
As you can see, the blockchain is creating seamless connections across the globe.
Glowing lines are the active blockchain connections securing data flow between countries worldwide.
Participants from different countries are already exploring this system.
Real-time data on these screens highlights the efficiency of the new system.
This dashboard shows the real-time flow of crypto transactions. And if we look at the earning graphs, we can see a significant upward trend thanks to the new system.
But the real question is not whether this system exists.
If you are curious about the future of blockchain-based digital income, explore TonXPay and understand how this ecosystem works.